Moira Kelly has been honoured for her tireless crusade to give children in need a better life. She's among 20 inspirational women inducted into a special club. Kate McPherson has the story.
Hard work and remarkable leadership. Today, 20 of Victoria's most inspirational ladies were added to the Victorian Honour Roll of Women.
From academia, from the law, from science and research, from social justice, humanitarian.
Among them, 50-year-old Moira Kelly.
It's quite humbling. I just think, wow, sometimes you wonder why you.
It's recognition for 30 years of changing the lives of disadvantaged children around the world, including her adoption of conjoined twins Trishna and Krishna.
I'd like to think that maybe I can inspire others to realise that there's other people in the community that we need to help, and just because we're Australian doesn't mean it's not our problem.
Australia's first female Attorney-General and former Health Minister Nicola Roxon was honoured for her work in preventative health. And Faye Duncan was recognised for developing temporary housing near hospitals for children living with leukemia and their families.
We have arrangements with schooling and to keep the family together.
Red Cross lawyer and humanitarian Dr Helen Durham has devoted her life to helping victims of war.
I would encourage particularly girls to get involved and interested in international issues, particularly about international justice.
I think it's incredibly important that younger women for today and for the teenagers and the younger girls understand those who have been trailblazers before them.
Kate McPherson, 9 News.